Hey guys, Jack here. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well. This is a quick and simple video showing you how to install a SIM card into the new iPhone 13. And this is the same across the board from the mini all the way up to the Pro Max. And all you need is a SIM ejection tool, or failing that, you can use a paper clip. So all you need to do is take your iPhone 13. It's similar to last year's 12, but slightly different to previous model iPhones. So go to the left-hand side. You can leave it switched on. You need to take your SIM ejection tool or paper clip, and you'll see this slot here. It's near the bottom. On the US models, it is in the middle. Just take your SIM ejection tool, push it into that hole on the slot, and it will pop out like that. And then you can use your finger just to pull it out. And you'll see it's got a little rubber gasket to keep it watertight. And then you just need to take your SIM card with the contacts facing up, and you can slot it into the hole there. It only goes in one way. And then with the contacts facing towards the screen, you just need to slide it back into the slot there. Make sure it's flush so it's still waterproof and dust resistant. And then you can see we've already got signal. So that's how you install the SIM. And if you want to activate an eSIM, you just need to go into settings, into mobile data or cellular, and then add data plan, and it will come up with the option to scan a QR code. Just give it a second. There you go. You can add a data plan, and that's for eSIMs. If you guys have any questions or problems, do post a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you're not already subscribed, get subscribed over there on the right for future videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.